And the first question, Leemon, if Hedera was chosen as a CBDC technology, would the CBDC run on the mainnet or a private network?
It could be either way or something in between. So there's a lot of different choices. And I think for different countries, different types of CBDCs make sense. So the simplest thing is you run it on mainnet. Use one of our tokens. We have a token service. It runs at native layer speeds. It's integrated into exchanges. You just do that and you have all this instant stuff done for you. Very simple and very clean. Or you run a private network. And so you have this private network that's managing your coin. But of course, the most useful thing of a CBDC is if it can interoperate. And so then you have bridges. So you'd have a bridge from your private network to Hedera or to another network. And our consensus service is great for building bridges. You can build all sorts of bridges. Or you can do something in between, which has a lot of advantages. And that is where you build it as a private network whose consensus engine is Hedera. That's the consensus service. And so what you do is you build a bunch of computers and they are managing this thing. But for ultimate trust, you have all the transactions flowing through Hedera. And if you want to, you can encrypt them and you can do whatever logic you want. You can do whatever privacy you want. You can make the CBDC run whatever way you want to make it run. And there's a lot of advantages to that. And so you can use the whole ecosystem out there for building private networks, but then you use the plugin at the bottom of it to make all the transactions go through Hedera, and you inherit the trust of Hedera. And so you have a wide range of options. So if you're doing a CBDC, you can do any of those three. If you're doing a token, period, you can do any of those three. You have lots of options.